Today I am going to solve some problems based on applications of percentage. Already in the last class I gave you the introduction and very simple questions. Let me solve few more for you. Today's first question is, a man's income was 5,000 rupees. He spent 12% of his income on rent, 64% on other things and saved the rest. How much money did he save every month? Okay, these are the problems you have to work out with proper statements. A man's income is equal to how much given? 5,000 rupees. And what he was doing, he spent 12% of his income on rent. He spends on rent. He spends on rent equal to 12% of his income. 12% of 5,000 rupees. That means 12 by 100 into 5,000. Zeros cancel. 12 5s are 60. That means 600 rupees he was spending on rent and 64% on other things. He spends on other things equal to, he spends on other things equal to 64% of his income. 64% of 5,000 rupees, that is 64 by 100 into 5,000. 2 zeros cancel. 1 0. 5 4 is 20. 0 2 carrying 5 6 is 30 plus 2 32. So 3,200 rupees he is spending on other things and remaining what is given and save the rest. How much money did he save every month? So his savings we have to find out. His income is 5,000, spending on rent 600, spending on other things this much. So his saves is equal to, from his income we have to subtract his rent and also other things. So you will have 5,000 minus 3,800, that equals to 1,200 rupees. So how much money did he save every month means, therefore he saves 1,200 rupees every month. As per the question, every time you have to write the last statement clearly. I hope this is clear to you. Let me do few more sums. So your next question is, Priyanka's salary was increased by 10%. If her new salary is 22,000 rupees, what was her previous salary? Children, in maths, mostly whenever you want to find anything, take that as x. Let us take Priyanka's previous salary is x. After increasing, how much is given? Okay, let me solve and show you. Let Priyanka's previous salary is equal to x. Previous salary is equal to x. After increase percent is 10%. Increase percent is 10%. That means a new salary already given. Okay, new salary means after increasing. So increased salary after x was there, for the on that 10% of x is increased. That means x plus 10 by 100 into x. If you cancel x plus x by 10, x plus x by 10. If you take LCM, you will get 10x plus x, that equal to 11x by 10. Okay. So as for the given question, when 10% is increased, Priyanka's salary became 11x by 10. But already it is given that her new salary is 22,000 rupees given already. Her new salary is equal to 22,000 rupees already given. That means as per this increase, we are getting 11x by 10. and also it is given this. That means 11x by 10 is equal to 22,000. That means x is equal to 22,000 into 10 by 11. 11 1 ja, 11 2 0 0 0. So 4 zeros 2. That means Priyanka's x is 20,000. X means Priyanka's what was her previous salary? Therefore, her previous salary was or equal to 20,000 rupees. I hope this is clear to you. Let me solve one more for you. So your next question is, air contains 21% oxygen by volume. Find the volume of oxygen in a room of dimensions 4 meter by 5 meter by 3 meter. When we write into we write, but when we read we have to read as by. That means length, breadth and height of the room. Children, the length, the dimensions of the room are given to you. Volume of air present in the room is equal to volume of the room. Room is like a cuboid and volume of the room is equal to length into breadth into height. So volume of air present in the room is 4 meter into 5 meter into 3 meter. Now we have to find out how much air is present in the room. Okay. So let us find first volume of air in the room is, or volume of air in the room. In the room, we know that volume of room in the air is equal to volume of the room. You will get 4, 5 is 20, 23 is 60. You can multiply or you can keep in the product form also, no problem. And it is given that air contains 21% oxygen by volume. We have to find the volume of oxygen in the room. So volume of oxygen in the room is equal to 21% of 60 meter cube, volume of the room, or volume of air present in the room. 21% means 100 into 60 meter cube. 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 3s are 21 3s are 63 by 5. That means 5 1 are 5, 1 3, 5 2s are 10, 3 0 means 0.6 meter cube. So find the volume of oxygen in a room of dimensions means 12.6 meter cube. Therefore, the volume of oxygen in the room is 12.6 meter cube. Okay. So some examples I have done for you. In the next class, you are going to learn profit and loss of chapter applications of percentage. Thank you.